What is really in a picture? I came across a channel, and Karolina has this amazing sense about her. She started to look at pictures and detail them, but only using the tonal curve. And to be honest, I didn't know a whole lot about the tone curve. So basically, what is being adjusted when using the tone curve is just the luminosity. In astronomy, luminosity is the total amount of energy emitted by a star, galaxy, or astronomical object. I would like to share with you one of the comments and Karolina's reply to that comment. You can really tell a lot about a channel by reading the comments and the responses. I played one day with a picture by moving the so-called tonal curve, exactly like you are seeing in my videos. The picture went darker and darker. At that point, everyone would just stop doing it because of no reason to look at a picture where there is nothing to see, right? But I was curious, how far can I get? So I kept moving the tonal curve many different ways until I saw the square. It is also important to say that at the same time I was, and of course still am, watching and listening to many channels uncovering the truth, showing videos about the strange behavior of the sun or the moon. In many of them, they are talking about possible cloaking systems in the sky, fake sun and moon, or even a projection of them. Well, just a lot of great stuff to study, or observe anyway. So as I was listening to those channels from that day, let's say I discovered or found the square around the sun and the moon, I felt very strongly that I want to share this with the people out there because I felt somehow very strongly that there might be some connection. Whether I am right, I don't know, but to answer your question, no, there is no aestheticism added to my pictures which I analyze. There is no filter hidden or anything like that. All this comes its own way as I can only play with the tonal curve. That is all I can say. Even I myself never know what comes out from the pictures. Never. And as I'm watching her video and she is detailing the part of the sun where I filmed 30 minutes prior to this picture, but the same tail-like part at the top of the sun is still showing up 30 minutes difference, and she's picking up the same thing I showed in the video as well. Please continue to watch. It really does get interesting. And as you're watching this, just remember, Karolina is only adjusting the tonal curve, not manipulating the picture. Nothing like that. It's the original picture, and look what is appearing. And here she is showing this rather large object that is presenting behind the sun. And this part coming up just intrigues me. You can actually just see the outline, the form, the shape. And look, I froze it here so you can actually see where the tree is, where the skyline is. But we have this luminosity that is coming from areas that we couldn't see. But when you adjust the tonal curve, look what shows up. And here she starts to focus to, I would say, about the 10 to 11 o'clock position of the sun. Look at this object. I would say it looks like a jelly bean. If the tonal curve shows us the luminosity, then we have 4 objects that are luminous in the sky. 4. And of course, that's just in this one picture frame. 4 objects. And here's what appeared to be a cube in the sky when I saw it, and what many people suggested was a sundog, or what we've been taught. But in actuality, these objects are luminous. They are radiating light. And what are they? If they're reflecting the light from the sun, are they these ice crystals that we've been told are sundogs? Seriously? What are the other 2? They are not sundogs. Really think about what we are being told, what we are being taught, and just use our own senses, our own sensibility. Thank you so much, Karolina, for your time and for doing everything that you can to spread the truth. You any other way. A video was made 2 days after the video of the cube in the sky that I released. And the video set forth in debunking as saying that the light sources in the sky after sunset were twilight, and that the white laser light looking thing that went down in front of the airplane wing, that was another airplane's light from its wing coming in behind it. And there was more, but really I think At this point in the game, I'm deciding and I'm choosing to think for myself, to research for myself, and believe what my eyes are seeing and what I know is true. We are all in this together. Much love to you all.